All right, I got a couple upgrades to this thing. Y'all can see nothing too crazy at the moment, but wait till I start shooting this thing. Still got the same setup for real, but we got an extra addition right there, if you can see it. So we're gonna see if this thing works. I only got an H2 in here, so let's see how it works out. This push button is low-key messing me up for real. Red dot is not on. It's on now. Let's see. Oh yeah, this thing's a little. Hey, that shit goes stupid. That shit went crazy. Hey, I'm a fan.